Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can repost someone reels on your Instagram story easily with your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and the next you just need to find the reels. You can find the reels on the explore section right here, or you can also visit your reels sections right here. Tap on it. And right after you already found the reels, now you just need to tap into this icon, and they give you several options the way how you can share this, and one of them is add to your story, so you just need to tap on it. And now you already got the story on your screen right now with the reels. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into your stories, and now you just need to wait until it's perfectly uploaded, and now your followers could be seeing the reels that you are watching recently. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.